Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles in Toca Boca. First, navigate to any kitchen in your Toca Boca world. Open the refrigerator and pantry to find essential ingredients. You will need flour, a carton of eggs, a bottle of milk, and a stick of butter. Also, locate a mixing bowl and a whisk from the kitchen cabinets. These items are crucial for preparing your delicious waffle batter. Now, let's prepare the waffle batter. Drag the mixing bowl onto a clear counter space. Carefully add the flour, then crack the eggs, pour in the milk, and drop in the butter. Pick up the whisk and drag it over the bowl. Continue whisking until the mixture is perfectly smooth, ensuring no lumps remain for a perfect consistency. Next, it is time to cook your waffles. Locate the waffle maker, which often looks like a small, square appliance. Place it on a sturdy counter. Carefully pour about 1/4 of the batter into the center of the hot waffle maker. Close the lid and wait for a few moments. The waffle will cook quickly, turning golden brown and delicious. Finally, let's add some delicious toppings to your freshly cooked waffle. Carefully remove the hot waffle from the maker and place it on a plate. Explore the refrigerator and pantry for fun toppings like berries, maple syrup, or a dollop of whipped cream. Drag your favorite toppings onto the waffle. Now, your Toca Boca characters can enjoy a delightful, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.